Here's the clear, grounded, non-political answer based on the authoritative sources we just pulled. And as always, confirm with trusted sources. Short answer: digital IDs are not scheduled to become universally required for all financial transactions. But identity verification is tightening, and digital forms of government ID are becoming more common in regulated financial activity. There is no mandate in the US or globally that says everyone must use a digital ID for all purchases or banking. What is happening is a steady expansion of digital identity options and regulatory requirements for verifying identity in certain financial contexts. What the current evidence shows: 1. U.S. financial institutions already require identity verification. Banks, credit unions, broker-dealers, and money service businesses must verify identity under the Bank Secrecy Act, BSA, and FinCEN's Customer Identification Program, CIP, rules. This has been true for years and continues into 2026. This means opening a bank account, using regulated financial services. Certain crypto platforms all require government-issued ID, but not necessarily digital ID. 2. Mobile driver's licenses, MDLs, are expanding. More than 30 U.S. states now support mobile driver's licenses, digital versions of your physical ID. Financial institutions are beginning pilot programs to accept them for identity verification. NIST, the U.S. standards body, recommends institutions start preparing now, but adoption is still early. 3. Stablecoin issuers may face digital ID requirements. Under the proposed Genius Act rules, 2026, permitted payment stablecoin issuers would need to implement customer identification programs, including digital verification. This affects crypto companies, not everyday consumers. So when will digital IDs be required? For everyday purchases, stores, restaurants, online shopping, no requirement planned. No evidence of any policy or timeline. For banking and regulated financial services, identity verification is required now, but you can still use physical ID. Digital ID is becoming an option, not a mandate. For crypto platforms and stablecoin issuers, digital identity verification is likely to increase, but this applies to companies, not the general public. For federal purposes, Real ID. Physical Real ID cards become fully enforced for federal facilities and air travel. This does not require digital ID. Why people think digital IDs will be mandatory? Because digital driver's licenses are expanding. Banks are tightening identity verification. Crypto regulations are increasing. Governments are modernizing ID systems. These trends create the impression of an impending universal digital ID requirement. But the actual policies do not support that conclusion. If you want, I can also break down how digital IDs work, what MDLs mean for Nevada specifically, how banks verify identity today, what's changing in 2026, 2027, or shift back into Argon mode, and mythic satire. This whole topic, just tell me the vector.